In today's video, I'll show you how to sign up to be a product reviewer for SHEIN. First, head to the SHEIN website and go to the free trial section. This is where product reviewing happens. Next, click on Free Trial Center. After that, tap the top icon and choose Continue with Google. Make sure to log in with the same account you use on SHEIN. In here, you'll see tabs like My Applications and My Reports. To apply for products, scroll through the available items and hit Free Trial on any product you're interested in. Once you apply, the status will show as pending. If selected, you'll get the product for free and be expected to create content around it. And that's how easily you can sign up to be a product reviewer for SHEIN. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.